Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Stay on the Wi-Fi network you intend to change and note the current IP, gateway, and subnet so you don't create conflicts. Once ready, open Settings, tap Connections, then Wi-Fi. Long press the active network and choose Modify Network. Make sure Show Advanced Options is checked, then change IP settings from DHCP to static. This first action lets you enter DNS values explicitly instead of relying on the router's defaults. Now you fill the detailed fields. Choose an IP address that matches your network's first 3 octets but a different last number to avoid collisions. This keeps connectivity stable. For most home routers, set subnet prefix length to 24, put the router's gateway exactly as noted. In DNS1 and DNS2, enter your preferred servers, for example 8, 8, 8, 8 and 1, 1, 1, 1, so name lookups use those resolvers. Save the network to apply the changes and reconnect immediately. Finish by testing. Open your browser and load 2 or 3 different websites to confirm quick, correct resolution. Speed and blocking behavior will reflect the new DNS. If a site fails, toggle airplane mode or reboot the J7 to force DNS requery. If problems persist, return to Modify Network and switch back to DHCP or reset network settings to remove misconfigured static values. One key tip: avoid duplicate static IPs. Check the router's client list to prevent address conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.